Under the environment setup, we are going to first see what kind of hardware, that is your computer, laptop, whatever, what kind of hardware is expected to type the codes and execute the codes smoothly. So if you see hardware requirement, inside this hardware requirement, what processor we would be needing? If you see over here, we would be needing Core i5 or AMD Ryzen process. AMD Ryzen 5 would be okay. If you don't have, do not buy it. So let me clear it. Let me clear it. This thing very, what you can say, precisely over here. If you don't have any of this thing, do not buy the new system. Try to execute on whatever system you have, right? So don't go in the market and buy it. If it is working on your existing computer or existing machine, well and good, right? But do not force your parent to buy the new computers. That's what the moral of the story. So if you have this processor, Core i5 AMD Ryzen, would be great. A minimum 8 GB of the RAM is recommended. However, if you have a 16 GB, would be very good, but not recommended. If you have minimum 8 GB, still it is enough. But if you want to do high computational things, 16 GB would need. But right now, to learn the MERN stack, which is nothing but this, MongoDB or MySQL, Express.js, React and Node, 8 GB of the RAM is sufficient. Storage, SSD, it is 100 GB of the SSD would be okay. You don't, even the HDD also would be okay. But solid state drives are a little bit more performant than the HDDs. That's why I have written. Operating system, absolutely no constraint on the operating system. If you have Windows, Mac, Linux, well and good, no problem. Display, monitor, whatever monitor you are comfortable with. But I have given the standard resolution. If you have this, well and good. If you have two screens, well and good. If you don't have two screens and one screen, you have only one screen, that is also okay. This is a mandatory thing. You need to have a very good internet connection. If you have a good internet connection, it would be really great to search the things, type the code, search the things, type the code, use the chat GPT simultaneously, right? So a good internet connection is only thing I will highly recommend. And all other things, if you have, well and good. If you don't have, try to execute on whatever computers you are having. So this is all about hardware requirement for the MERN stack, these things. Thank you.